Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare pepper chicken. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this pepper chicken are, here I have taken 250 grams of chicken and I have cut them into thin slices like this. Thin slices. Here I have taken one small capsicum or bell pepper and I have cut them into big pieces like this. This is near about 5 cloves of garlic that I have chopped it. 2 medium size onion. I have again cut them into big pieces like this. 2 green chilies. I have cut them diagonally. And 2 dried red chili cut in the same way like green chilies. This is near about 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is 1 egg white. I'm not going to use the yolk, so I'm using the white. And this is near about 3 tablespoons of corn flour, salt as per our taste, oil for cooking. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce. If you are using the dark soy sauce, use 1 tablespoon only. This is vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So let's get started. The first step that we are going to do is we will first marinate this chicken. So how are we going to marinate this chicken? We will add little bit of black pepper powder. We will add salt, just a bit of salt. Then we will add the egg white. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. And now I'm going to mix it nicely. Meanwhile, we will heat oil. We are going to actually deep fry this. So we'll heat oil in a karai or a pan. Once the oil gets heated, we will take this chicken and we will drop it into this hot oil. Put the flame into medium. We will just golden fry the chicken. Over a medium flame for the first 3 minutes over a medium flame, then we will increase the flame to high. Now friends, as you can see, it's slightly done. It started changing its color. So I will increase the flame after 3 minutes to high, and I will fry for 2 minutes over high flame, and then I'll take it out from the oil. Now friends, as you can see, it has changed its color. So this is the time we will take it out from the oil, and we will also reduce the quantity of the oil. So friends, here I have taken out this chicken. As you can see, this is the perfect color and texture. And I have also reduced the amount of the oil in the karhai. So this is near about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now in this oil is already hot. I will put the garlic. After adding the garlic, I am going to add the onion. Just saute it. I am doing this over medium flame. Then we will add the capsicum. And now the green and the dried red chilies. We just leave this like this for a minute. Meanwhile, here we have this corn flour. So I'm going to add little water to this corn flour and I'll make a paste. Just mix this. This will give a nice slurry look to this recipe. Now friends, after a minute I will add the vinegar, white vinegar, remaining black pepper powder and the soya sauce. Now we will add the chicken. Put the flame into medium and just saute everything together. Now friends, after sauteing everything together, I will add this corn flour mixture. And I'll mix it. And I'll cook for 2 minutes. Our pepper chicken is now ready. So let's put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our yummy pepper chicken ready. Very easy to prepare friends and very delicious. You can savor this with noodles or fried rice. I hope you liked my recipe friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching friends. Bye.